Hi, this is VC Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to lock your Word document. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go. When you're hard at work, completing academic assignment or important project in Microsoft Word, you often want to keep those files out of unwanted hands. One common concern is preventing your friend or classmates from easily copying and pasting text or editing your document. So, how if you want to lock your document on your Microsoft Word? It's very simple. So, first of all, of course, we have to open our Word document. So, here's my document, and I want to lock it. You can just go to the file. You can click left on here, and you can click on info, and you'll find there is an option protect document. You can just click in here. You can choose if you want to always open read only, so prevent accidental changes by asking reader to opt in to editing, or you can encrypt your password, restrict editing, restrict access, add a digital signature, or mark as a vinyl. For example, we just lock with encrypt with password. You can just so you can just choose in here encrypt the password. You can create the password. Now you can just click on OK. You can re-enter the password. So here you go. The password is required to open this document. So let's try to open the document. Let's see. So it's required password to open this document. So it's so simple, right? So that is how to lock your Word document. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.